8 billion rands. That is how much the South African Revenue Service or SARS has paid to 1.9 million South Africans so far. My dear friends, this gets more interesting because this is the payment that SARS has made in just 72 hours, 3 days, and the plan is to pay over 40 billion rands back to the people of South Africa that are eligible to get their tax refunds. Now, before you get too excited and think about buying TVs, my dear friends, when you receive this kind of money, which by the way, I see a lot of people are excited over the streets of social media. Some are getting paid 10,000, 20,000, some is 50,000 and all that. And this money, I'm telling you, because you were not expecting this kind of amount of money, sometimes you can be too excited and think about buying a TV, think about buying your sneakers, and this is because you are taking this as just any other money. But what if I tell you that this money from SARS can be used as a weapon to secure your future, a weapon to take your life to the next level? Because let me tell you something, it is not about how much you receive, but it is about what you do with what you receive. That will separate you from many of the people that right now I have gotten so much excited. Those that have been paid, they don't even have the money anymore. They've spent it on things that won't really probably matter in the next 5 years. But not to worry, because on today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take that cash and use it to invest, to save, to build a bulletproof emergency fund and make sure that it works as hard for you as you worked for it. Because let me tell you something, this is not free money. This is the refund that all the contributions that you made in the last financial year, SARS balance it out and pays you if you have overpaid your tax, which is something that you should take cognizance of. This is not just money coming in, but this is your money coming back to you. This is your money coming back to you. That is why it is called a refund, right? Otherwise, before I dig deep onto this, you already know that whatever I share here are my opinions. It's not peer advice. If you seek peer advice, you already know what to do, and that is you need to consult the professionals. All that I share here are my opinions, but I would really like if you can not only just watch this video, but you subscribe, you like, you hit or click that notification bell so that at least you can be notified every time I drop a new content. You know, on a weekly basis, I'm dropping videos for you guys as to how we can all take our lives to the next level, how we can all reach financial freedom. And today, like I said, we are talking about the thing that is making South Africa go crazy, and that is the tax returns. Someone might be asking, how is it possible that 1.9 people get paid 8 billion in 3 days? It sounds crazy, but it's actually thanks to SARS Auto-Assessment system. Look, here's how it works, right? SARS uses a massive amount of data from your employer, medical aid, retirement annuity, and they give auto-assessment. So the 1.9 million that have been paid, these are the people that have been auto-assessed by SARS, and what you need to do is just to go into the e-filing to check if you have been auto-assessed, and you accept, then you get your refund. So it is not people like us who have to go to our accountants and they still do the process manually. The people that have been paid 8 billion are the people that have been auto-assessed, and if you agree with their calculations, like I said, you don't have to do anything, just to log in, verify it, and boom, the money comes in, right? You are guaranteed money in your bank account within 72 hours. This is something that is just so great, something that, like I said, because of the fact that this money, you do not know how much until you do your tax returns or until you get that auto assessment. It is money that you can use it to shape or to change your life for good. I mean, last year SARS paid out 10.6 billion rands back as refunds, and this year they are planning to pay around 40 billion rands back during this tax filing season, which is something that is great, something that is exciting, and this is a massive cash injection into our economy. Look, people will have more money to spend into the economy, which is always good, man. And like I said, this is money back to you. This is not free money, but it is the refund that you made in the last financial year that SARS is refunding you back. It's not free cash. Don't treat it as a free cash, because the moment you said it's free money, then that is where the mistake begins. But if you treat it as just any other money, I mean, you continue doing what you've been doing, saving, investing, and my dear friends, with just doing that, you know you are set for greatness, right? I mean, depending on where you are, the number one rule is that before you invest your money, it can be in the stock market, it can be in the property, it can be in the stock market, it can be in property, you need to have an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of emergency fund, which is your 3 months of expenses that you incur every month, and that builds, or that amount that you calculate, and it is your total expense for a month. You multiply that by 3, by 6, then you take, or you build that money and ensure that it is in a savings pocket somewhere, and it is guarding against any emergency that might come. Now, this is what you need to do. If you have done this, when the money comes in, then you think about investing. And the reason why I've explained to you why it is important for you to start with an emergency savings account first is that you do not want to tap your investments. Anything that is called an investment, it's for a long term. You don't touch that money at least until 5 years. So you don't have to be withdrawing money from your investment, from your stock market portfolio, because you have got an emergency savings account that helps you with those. And whenever it goes down, you put more money in so that at least it can consistently have 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses saved on that pocket. So this is the first thing that you need to do if you have not started, of course, or if you do not have this emergency savings account where you stash your 6 months or your 3 to 6 months of expenses onto that account. And otherwise, if you've done that, like I said, you need now to invest more. You need now to take it to the next level. There is an account in the stock market called the tax-free savings account. I mean, trust me, I've seen it in the streets of social media. People are getting refunds of 50k, 30k, and you can use that money already to either maximize your tax-free savings account if you are receiving the 46,000, or if you had started contributing and you are left with a small balance, you can use that money, whatever money you receive, and you go maximize your tax-free savings account. Because what is the benefit of that account? You invest without SARS wanting the piece of the pie. Anything that you get, capital gains, dividends, it's all going to come to you as long as you play by the book, that is contributing 46,000 rands on an annual tax year. And that, my friends, is something that is just so great. I mean, there's still a lot of money to be paid out, and you might be like me who has not received the refund yet, because we are waiting for Monday, right, the 13th, where our accountants will help us get the refunds, our refunds. And yeah, it's going to be so interesting to see how one gets this year, because let me tell you something, it is not, you cannot really say how much you will get until you have done a tax return, or until your accountant has done a tax return for you and it tells you how much. You cannot really say it's consistent. And yeah, But let's wait, let's see. Whatever comes, but it needs to go to good use. Don't waste this money. There is still a lot of money to come. And to those that are not getting any refunds, it's not the end of the world. I mean, you can still find ways to save, to invest with the legal money, or with the money that you receive, or your salary that you receive on a month to month. You can obviously build your savings, your investments, and ultimately reach financial freedom. So yeah, I am happy, I am excited. I thought I'd quickly come and share this with you. Tell me what you think about this. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see how one gets, or how much one gets. But to me, the plan is already in. I already know what I'm going to do, and that is, and all that money comes, I'm taking it to my investments and ensure that it goes to good use. This happens every year. The tax returns, the refunds, they happen every year. Like I said, last year SARS paid over 10 billion rands, and this year they intend on paying over 40 billion rands. So it all boils down to what is it that you will do with your money. If last year you received and you wasted the money, you don't know what you did with the money. This year it's time that, before, if you have not received it before it gets to Monday, you already know what to do. Don't plan when you receive the money. Don't plan when you receive that money, but already have a plan as to what is it that you're gonna do, whether 5,000, whether 10,000, whether 40,000, 50, 80,000. You know what you are going to do. This is how, even personally, I do. This is how personally I got to escape spending money on things that a couple of months down the line I regret. A couple of months down the line, some of the things that I did with the money I've forgotten. I can't even tell people, or I can't even take accountability of what I did with the money. So you need to plan before it gets, or it starts pay you. But anyways, let me leave this one here. Tell me what you think about this. Have you gotten a refund, or you are waiting for Monday? And if you did not get, it's not a train smash. Yeah, can continue building with whatever you are receiving on a month to month. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me. God bless you all.